thank you all for watching my last two videos that I put out kind of back to back. But with the July 4th holiday, I figured I'd get them out a little bit quicker. Pull up here a little bit further up. Some of you have mentioned that you'd like to know a little bit more about the bike. So let's see if I can do a little bit of a detailed explanation of what I had done, at least most recently. So some of you guys have been wondering whether or not this is a Softail, and no, it is not a Softail. While we're in the front here, let me turn the key back on and show you my new light. See if I can capture this. This is my new light assembly, and guys, this wasn't cheap. There's low beams. It is not LED. And let's put on the high beams. Here you go. That's high beams right there. Once again, it is not LED. I wanted to keep the old school look to it. So what had happened was the light assembly underneath this hood, I don't know if you can see this or not, but underneath this hood, the light assembly was broken when I purchased the bike, and it was loose as hell. And so I was very concerned that the damn thing was going to fall off. So I got that replaced. And it was a very labor-intensive job. For all you mechanics out there, you can probably well imagine what was involved with the electrical, because apparently almost all the wiring on the bike is run through that headlight, and so it required a bit of expertise. But one of the things that I decided I would do with this bike is not try to cobble together repairs on this bike myself, but rather have a professional do the work, so that I didn't end up with an accumulation of cobbled together errors. Moving on now from the headlight, some of you guys have been asking me about this front fender. Well, yes, this front fender is an FLH fender. It is. It's FLH. The bike itself is an FXEF. It's from the FXE family, which was before the Softails, was before the Dynas. This is a 1980 FXE-F Fat Bob, but it has an FLH fender in the front. So what else have I done? Well, the other day when I was dropping the bike off to have the light assembly fixed, I sprung a leak in the parking lot, of all places, coincidentally, on the oil pump gasket. So I had to replace that. New battery. Prior owner had the wrong battery in the bike, so I put a new battery on. I'm going to move along to the back of the bike because some of you guys have been asking me about the rear fender. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a hinge right here. This is a hinged fender, so it opens up for easy removal of the rear wheel. And the FXEF had an option back in 1980. If you wanted to order the cast wheel, you could. A little bit more money, but you could do it. These are original wheels. Alright, let's move over to this side of the bike over here. Alright, I don't know if you can see this or not, but first of all, I put a new sprocket on the bike and a new chain. Second of all, I converted the primary over from a chain-driven primary to a belt-driven primary. This derby cover has now got a space on it to keep the belt as cool as possible. That was a big deal right there. Let's see, what else did I do? Well, I had the right mirror fixed the other day, and it's pretty tight now, so there's no movement. Let's see. I put the Super Glide sticker on myself. Oh, brand new tires. These are American Elites. Tires on the bike were expired when I bought the bike. In very good shape, but expired. Basically everything that needed to be addressed on the bike has been addressed. The bike is in good running order, and it's a 1980 FXEF Shovelhead 1340cc 80 cubic inch motor. I guess that's basically it, guys. I love the bike, and I'll probably never sell the darn thing. It's just an absolute joy to ride. Absolutely terrific. Oh, and I love these handlebars too, these buckhorn handlebars. And the grips, oh God, the grips are just perfect. Dual tanks. This is the this tank over here on the left-hand side is the reserve tank. Okay, let's start this baby up.